All right, guys. So I wanted to go over the APS paperwork. So there's 3 pages that we have to complete when you're doing this APS stuff. So the first page is the quality installation field worksheet, date tested, whether it's a heat pump or a straight cool, if it's a package system, heat pump or straight cool. Contractor name is Grand Canyon Home Services. Technician name is your name. Model and serial number and brand of each piece of equipment. So if it's a package unit, then you just need the package unit. If it is a heat pump, split heat pump, you would do air handler outdoor unit. If it is a split gas system, you would have outdoor unit, furnace model serial, and the indoor coil model and serial number. Pretty much always we're going to take the cooling readings. If it's a heat pump and it's below 55 degrees outside, then you could do it in heat. Otherwise, any other type of system, we're going to use cooling. Most of our stuff will be subcooling because it has a TXV, although we do run across the occasional frigid air system that is still using an orifice. You mark down here what orifice type it is, whether it's orifice or TXV. Pretty much everything we will be doing is 410A, but if for some reason we did R22, you would mark it. Entering return dry bulb, supply dry bulb, temp split is just the difference of those top 2. Entering wet bulb is at the return, and then exiting wet bulb is obviously at one of the supply registers. The outdoor temperature, your subcooling calculation, so liquid line temp, saturation temp, and then the difference of those two is your subcooling amount. Superheat, you would need to put down here if it's a orifice and not a TXV. So same thing there, just the other side of the system. Suction line temp, saturation temp, and then your superheat. We need pressure readings on here. The airflow you don't have to worry about. Static pressure you could take just out of curiosity, but we don't necessarily have to have it on the form. So that's the first page. We need the rebate signature form is the other page that we get. So they're going to sign here at this top space and date it. You as the technician will sign and date here. And then if it is a check that, which we will have a note in the dispatch system, sometimes the customer waives it and we give them a discount at the time of installation and then we get their rebate back. If it is a situation like that, we need a second signature down here at the bottom. So, which you'll know that that's the situation on the service call. Third form, customer information form, very important. We get their APS account number, their last name, their first name. If for some reason it's a renter, then we would want to mark it. Pretty much everything we deal with is the homeowner, the job address, city, state, zip. Telephone is here. Go ahead and get that just to verify that they don't give us a different number than what we have in the system. So that is it for your APS paperwork stuff.